Hey guys, what's up? It's Lucy. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss when I upload. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm pretty tired, but I have a lot of work to do today. It's the third week of school and I, for some reason, have literally so much work. I go to UCSB and we're on the quarter system, so each quarter is 10 weeks long. It moves pretty fast. If you guys have been around for a while, I have ADD, which I talk about a lot just because it's pretty relevant in my life and it makes it really hard to do schoolwork and focus. I'm taking my Vyvanse because take your medication as long as it's prescribed. I'm taking 10 milligrams if anybody is curious because sometimes 20 makes me a little too unpleasant to be around. Here we go. Tastes like studying. So because of online school, I have a lot of like assignments due all the time. Everybody loves assignments these days. This morning I have to get through like a couple hours of some film lectures and these are my least favorite to do because two reasons. One is that my professor doesn't put text on the slides, which I know a lot of professors don't. It's just hard because I have to like slow down the video to 0.75 speed so I can write everything because I like have to write down everything. Two, because the lectures are on YouTube, so like literally as I'm watching lectures there's just like 10 videos like recommended to me that I'm like how am I supposed to, I don't have the self-control to not click. I don't know, like the spill sesh. I'm literally addicted to the Hollywood Fix videos. Like I love them. I love paparazzi videos. Anyways, if anyone was curious about how I watch lectures, this is what I do as a film student. I watch lectures and then watch films and then take notes on them. But this quarter I'm actually in a multimedia writing course, which is cool. So one of my assignments today is to like do a little graphic design. So that's fun. I'm just trying to get through these lectures because I have some responses to do and I have to do readings before section tomorrow. It's now 11:53 and I have a call with my advisor in 5 minutes just to check up, make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I have a position in my sorority, so that's why I have an advisor. I made my to-do list for the day. I basically just wrote down the most important things that I need to get done. One of the things I really like to do when I'm writing to-do lists is to write down the 5 most important things that I need to get done that day. Sometimes if there's more than 5 things on my to-do list, I can get really overwhelmed and I just won't end up doing any of it. By sectioning off my tasks into like smaller things, instead of writing like just lectures on my notes, I'll write more specific like Tuesday lectures or Thursday lectures. So then you get that feeling of satisfaction when you cross it off. Also, since today is like a full work day for me, I wrote on my to-do list down here to work out because I haven't really been on my grind with working out like at all. So I'm making it a priority to work out today because I know it's gonna be harder to fall asleep since I took my Vyvanse. But I'm gonna get on this call in like 2 minutes and then catch you guys after. I'm gonna go work out. My hair is literally so oily because I'm on my period. I've been like in bed like with cramps, so I need to work out. I'm gonna go do a little spin bike, little Peloton action. Greer has a spin bike on her deck and I will sometimes watch my Peloton spin videos on there and it's super fun. I'm wearing this workout top from Lulu and then these pants are Fabletics. Let's go to Greer and Debbie's room.
It's not bad.
What's in it?
Well, I had food from my house. Basmati rice, chicken, and steak, but I already ate all the steak out of it. I put an egg.
But now she wants bacon and a grilled cheese and no more of that.
You're done with that?
Well, I want a lot of different
There's
things.
3/4 left.
I don't want any of it.
Were you the one making microwave bacon?
That was me.
That's concerning, is it not?
No, it's less cleanup work.
I'm not arguing.
That's hardly a price to pay for properly cooked bacon.
It is properly cooked.
My plants are outside, so my background is really empty and I don't like it. Much better. Okay. Do you guys like my pink robe? I thrifted it. I'm obsessed. So in the past few months, I've discovered listening to podcasts in the shower, and I don't know what about it is so like liberating or appealing to me, but it's awesome. You have to try it. I made Megan Becker try it. She loved it. Today, I listened to my audiobook in the shower, and there is just something about listening to like a story or someone talk while in the shower. I don't know. And the best way to listen to podcasts or audiobooks is through the app Audible, which you guys know I love. I've worked with Audible before. The reason I love audiobooks so much is because I have always wanted to be someone who is a reader and someone who sits down and just reads books, but I'm not. All these books here, I've read one of them, but I've listened to 4 of them on Audible. As someone who struggles with ADD and someone who's a college student who has a lot of like required readings that takes up a lot of time, Audible is so awesome, and you can just listen whenever is convenient to you. It's the best. And Audible has way more than just audiobooks. They have podcasts, comedy, the news, guided meditations. I love listening while I'm driving around. It's a nice escape from my house, especially during COVID. Or while I'm cooking, it's really peaceful to just kind of like plug into a story, or cleaning, or just doing things. Currently, I'm listening to Where the Crawdads Sing because I bought the book and who's surprised didn't read it. So I'm listening to it on Audible. But seriously, Audible is an awesome app, and I've been using them for years, and it's not expensive because if you go to audible.com/Lucy or text Lucy to 500 you can get a 30 free day trial, which comes with 1 free credit, and with 1 free credit you can get any book of your choosing and you'll have it in your library forever. So you can just see how you like it, try it out, and thank you Audible for kindly sponsoring this video. So right now I'm just gonna finish listening to like 1 chapter of my book, and then I'm gonna get back to lectures. I made myself a bagel with avocado and everything but the bagel seasoning, and it's really good. These pants are from Lou & Grey, and then this sweatshirt is thrifted. This is actually one of my favorite sweatshirts. I have a couple more hours of lectures to do, and I'm definitely getting tired. It's 3 now, so I'm hitting my like afternoon slump. But I just ate, so hopefully that will give me energy. I've had a productive day so far, which makes me feel good. I just have like a lot due tomorrow, so a lot of what I'm doing today is like in prep for that or to lighten my workload tomorrow. During spring quarter, it was so much easier to focus on online school because I was like at home in quarantine. Like, I mean, emotionally it wasn't easier, but now I just feel like online school is so much harder, and now living with 16 people, like I'm always distracted. I'm like so grateful that I have a single so I can close my door and actually focus, because I would not be okay. Okay, slight interruption. My Skims masks came, which I'm super excited about. Wait, I like them. So cute. More masks added to the collection. I have a different one that's similar. It says good vibes on it. You know me. Good vibes all around. Can you even see? The Skims ones definitely, I like them better. They seem more fitting. Megan and I are at the co-op getting something for dinner. Well, I am. I'm just here for fun. I don't have any groceries for dinner, so yeah. I also haven't left the house today, so I thought this would be fun. Okay, I can't see if it looks good, but hopefully it does. Okay, I got more than I expected, per usual. Here's a co-op haul. These are my LaCroix cereal. This is the best cereal ever. Blueberry waffles, because Megan and I buy these. They're delicious. The time. They're so good. This is my dinner, non-pizza. They didn't have the pizza that I wanted, but that's what I came here for. These cookies, also exceptional. Literally, I just spit when I said that. They don't last me longer than a day. seaweed. I haven't gotten seaweed in a while. Do you want to show them what you got?
Yeah, so I got the same blueberry waffles because there's always at least 3 boxes of them. Cream cheese to make those TikTok cream cheese bell pepper things.
Yes.
That are delicious.
With the everything but the bagel seasoning.
Yes. And then I got a mint yerba so I can do work all night.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. I made naan pizza for dinner. And it's pretty good. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. I just really didn't feel like cooking anything. So after I ate my dinner, I got like super stressed out and kind of just was freaking out about everything that I have due tomorrow and that I have to do. Even though I did work all day today, I just felt like my to-do list was like never ending. I'm feeling better now. I'm just like exhausted and I know I have like so much more work to do, but I took my CBD because I was like actually on the verge of a panic attack, which is definitely also because I took my Vyvanse today and I don't know, it just makes me more anxious than usual. I'll link this CBD down below. It's a tincture like oil CBD and it's awesome. So that definitely calmed me down, probably because I took double the dose than I usually do. But yeah, I lit my candle, I put on my essential oil diffuser, I did all my like things, you know? Anxiety sucks a lot. It's really hard to like prioritize mental health when like you have days like this where I like literally didn't even leave my room barely and was like studying the whole day. And it's fine. It's not like every day is like this. It's just the stress sometimes gets too much. It's just been a long day. Sorry for ranting. I'm doing my skincare. You know, I'm just feeling stressed. This face oil literally smells so good. Hannah's parents got it for me for my birthday and it's literally the nicest thing I've ever put on my skin. This is my favorite eye cream. It's the First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. At first, I thought I bought the wrong thing because it's like literally glitter. Like it's a glittery thing. So I was like, okay, I bought the wrong under eye cream because obviously I didn't intend to have like sparkles in my moisturizer. Turns out it just comes like this, but when you rub it in, you actually can't see the sparkles. But this eye cream is awesome if you guys struggle with under eye circles, as you know I do. But I'm gonna watch some skincare by Hiram because he calms me down and just teaches me everything I need to know about skincare, and he just makes me feel better. Then I'm going to get some editing done before tomorrow and do a meditation and go to bed. I promise I do leave my house most days. It's just today wasn't one of those days. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Please like the video if you liked it. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on my notifications so you always see when I upload. And you can follow me on Instagram because I am super active on there. I hope you guys are all doing well. I love you guys. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you next time. Bye.